Center console from Highway Storage just came in. Let's get this bad boy opened up, check it out. Oh, missed that. I won't go too deep. I want to cut my center console. Nice. Look at this. Yeah, this looks really good. Nice. There she is. It's a quality piece. It's awesome. All right, let's go put it in. It's gonna take 10 seconds. All right, guys, she's in. You just got to pull the seat belts away from the center console, slide it over, and boom, it's in there. Thanks again to Highway Stores for hooking me up with the discount code so that I can provide my subscribers to special deals. It's a quality piece. That's all I gotta say. I don't know why I waited so long. Can't wait to take it out for a ride and be able to rest my arm and put a bottle of water here. So hope you guys were able to get in on the deal. I'm looking forward to more collaborations with some other companies, so stay tuned for them. But let's fast forward to the future here. We're going to go have breakfast with my buddy Rich in his sick 3.8 liter GTR. Yeah, badass, talking 7-second car. So stay tuned for that footage right here. That's the first time I've seen that car in person, and it is sick. Oh my god, when he revved it, just, I don't even know what it's probably straight pipe, but the turbo swoosh. She pretty. Nice. Now, did you go blue for a certain reason, or was it just like that's the color you liked and it is what it is, or what?
Yeah, that was the previous color.
Okay.
It was already done by the other previous owner.
That's clean.
So we just kept it.
So how long you had the car?
A little over a year now.
Yeah.
Purchased the vehicle. It had some issues. We picked our shop that we were going to use, which is Workhorse Performance.
Okay. Okay.
They pulled the car apart completely and pretty much rebuilt the whole thing.
Nice.
From tubing, turbos, everything.
So are you at liberty to discuss the build a little bit? Like,
yeah,
I know you said you had a big race coming up, so.
Yeah, we'll be in Texas next week, Texas 2K. We're running GTR Class 3.
Okay.
It's a 3.8 liter stock block motor built by Tim Lynch. Completely assembled and built by Workhorse Performance, and the tuner is John Visconti, which is well known in the GTR world.
Okay.
It's a fast street car.
I followed it over. I know for a fact that it's a street car. I followed it. Took us about 40 minutes to get here, so it is in fact a street car.
Yes, it's a street car. It's on ethanol. I'll be running against a few methanol cars next week. Which, it's going to be.
So we're talking some big horsepower numbers.
We're talking about some big horsepower cars. 6-second cars that are adding weight to compete in my class.
Okay. Now, are they handicapped, or is it just like heads up, run with your brung, fastest ET, or what kind of class is it?
As long as it's a stock 68 millimeter location turbo car.
Okay.
That weighs a minimum of 3,600 pounds.
Okay.
Is what it needs to be.
What is this way? Are you right on 36 with you in it?
With me in the car, it's around 3,800 pounds.
Okay.
Which is
all
heavy.
Right. Gotcha. Gotcha. So you said it's a 68 millimeter turbo car?
Correct. It's got a Boost Logic BL1800X kit.
Okay.
They're, twin 68 70 millimeter precision turbos.
So you have an idea of where you're going to be when you run down in Texas.
Yeah, I know how fast the car is, how fast it's going to go.
I'm looking forward to hearing the results,
and it's actually a full exhaust car.
Okay. I mean, I followed behind it. It sounds amazing. The sounds it was making, I loved it.
The reason why I love the car so much is it's literally a street car that I can do pretty much everything with.
Right.
Whether it's street racing, roll racing, track racing, it's good at everything, which is
And you came from what? What kind of car did you have?
Twin turbo CTSV.
Okay. And what did that do as far as quarter mile ET and horsepower?
7-second capable car, TH400, a built 427. It was turned into a race car. That's why I went.
So you wanted something a little bit more you could cruise with and not so much worry about not being able to run it on the street as much with like this you can. You jumped in this, you started up and
put my wife in it, go out to dinner, drives like a regular stock GTR.
Exactly.
Until I decide to stomp on the gas.
And it boogies.
It's also a Motec car, obviously. It's got a stage 4, it's a 4.5 Chef Trans.
Okay. So that's built to handle the power then. You're ready to go.
We're actually upgrading the trans to a 6.
Okay.
With a stage 5 clutch once I get back from Texas.
All right, cool. Well, best of luck with it. It's a beautiful car. I love the spoiler back there, that carbon fiber spoiler with the parachute. That's badass. Following behind it and listening to it, I'm like, it probably don't get much better than that.
I'll tell you, the shop that I use, Workhorse Performance, and the tuner, John Visconti, they got their shit together when it comes to these cars.
Awesome. There you go. GTR. Godzilla, baby. All right, thank you,
Thanks,
Rich.
brother.
We appreciate your time.
Appreciate it.
Yo, that thing is sick. Yo, I'm looking forward to hearing what his results come back from Texas, because there's no doubt in my mind he is going to run a number in that car. That car is ferocious. The noises, the sounds, just the way it looks. I'm not a huge GTR fan. I'll be the first to admit it, but That car is sick. So good luck to Rich out in Texas. Hope you do well in your class, and I'll keep you guys posted with the results in a future video, but ain't no point in even lining these cars up. Again, the only thing that this car has in common with that GTR is they are both 3.8 liters. That is it. That is it. That car is business, all business. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say, but at the end of the day, badass GTR, absolutely. All right, we're gonna head home. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Just a short little video about that car, because you know we wanted to head to breakfast, grab some food, meet up. It's been a while. The weather's starting to kind of break. Fake spring here in New Jersey. So you know, car guys, we're gonna bring our stuff out any chance we get. The salt's off the road. It's sunny. It's like 40, 42 degrees, but you know what? It's nice enough. We're gonna bring them out. So that's what we did. I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. Until next video, I'll see you later. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit subscribe. I know I got my center console coming soon. Should be here any day. I just got my updated shipping notification. So my center console from Highway Stars should be here. Hopefully you guys were able to take the deal that I was able to offer you in the last video with Highway Stars. I appreciate them. So we'll make a little video once the center console comes in, and I can share with you how it looks in my vehicle. But until next time, we'll see you later. Hit that like. See ya.